morning slips in through the blinds like it's asking permission. I count the dust in the air just to feel something real. The day doesn't need me heroic, it only needs me awake. So I lace up my hours slowly and let the quiet stay. I don't need a banner, I don't need a sign. If I'm still standing here, I'm